thing's dangerous.
Here we are, Aloha, Raworganiconrad, on the hay bale.
Hey, Dale.
And it's a durian! It's really happening! There's another durian of the season.
I thought they were gonna have.
Me too! It's January 19th.
It's February 10th.
February 10th.
Yeah, well, shows how much I'm in the loop. Right, it's February 10th, right? What, February 10th? Valentine's is 4 days away?
Yeah.
What the hell happened? I thought it was Christmas. No, we can't have Valentine's yet. Haven't found a Valentine.
Happy New Year, Conrad.
No,
Happy
okay,
New
forget,
Year.
scratch that. No. Anyway, back to the durian. Oh, sorry, mate. Spiking the old Rory with the durian. Oh, dear. Okay, so it's a blessing, a durian at this time of the year. So we're just going to go in for it. No saving this thing.
There's no split anymore.
Wow, it's so beautiful. I love the little, like, the
Smells good though.
shades of green and brown. Wow. And you showed up to share with us. I'm so blessed.
This one turned up.
Yeah, I was like, wait a second. I just saw him like running through the parking lot. I'm like,
That's right. It's got the smell for the durian. Like,
oh yeah.
My first durian was with Conrad,
But really?
and most of them since then.
Yeah.
Most of them
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've only ever had one durian.
I lost my
Conrad.
Without me?
Yeah.
I lost my durian virginity to him too.
Oh, dear.
Oh my god, he's just that kind of guy.
I'm just the durian king.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Let's get a picture of that.
Beauty. Oh, wow.
Show the camera that.
Damn, that's
Yeah,
just
funny
so
now.
sexy. Oh.
Wow.
Damn, like, give me
incredible.
on, look at that. There's 4 perfect pods, one each. So there we go. Grab that, Greta. Grab your
Right.
Poddington.
Boddington.
Get in there, girl. Oh my God.
Look at the size of that thing.
Okay, right, there we go. Grab a pod.
So good.
Look at this one.
Woo.
Wow.
Durian gods.
Oh,
Thank you, Mama Gaia.
check this one.
Hello.
Oh.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, thank you, durian with friends. Best thing ever. Love you guys, wonderful.
No. Wow.
It's good.
Oh, so good.
That's so creamy. You know, durian's actually like, I think the fattiest fruit you can eat.
I believe it. I've definitely gained weight from eating durian.
Oh
Like
my
when
gosh.
I went through this period last year where I would like get up every morning, harvest coconuts, sell them all, buy durian, do it again. Like, all my money went to durian. I literally, Pam was like, "You want another $160 with durian? Here you go."
Oh yeah, Pam, the one who does she's a cute little Asian woman that sells on like Sunday mornings at Kaleos, and she's like in Hilo as well.
She's a Hilo, right?
She does both, yeah.
And she has her own little store
Mm-hmm.
in the same building as KCA.
By the farmers market.
By the farmers market.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
Wow.
This is a good one.
This is awesome.
it. Straight from the farmer. Got a message on Messenger. Conrad, I know you like durian. Would you like this one today? £7. Fell off the tree. Yes, please. Be there right now.
It's amazing. They were like, wait, who do we know wants this?
Right? And I thought of me. Look at that.
That's amazing.
I like this man is a connoisseur. He'll appreciate a good durian.
Totally.
He deserves the last durian of the season.
Especially 14 days without eating food. It's like, oh my God.
She told me her tree's just starting to go off. Like she's got
She has
more
more.
coming.
She has more coming?
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
It's got the new hook on the durian.
It's like 1,000 feet, so it's a little cooler.
Oh my
Time
god.
to climb more trees. Oh my God.
Wow. I'm so grateful your truck is fixed now too. So much durian money headed our way.
Oh my God. Wow. Got more durian to eat. Really?
Sell more coconuts, buy durian.
Wow.
Wow. So another one might fall off a tree tomorrow. Oh, good. Goody goody.
I'm gonna eat nothing but durian and drink coconuts for the rest of the time I'm here.
Wow. Okay. Life goals. I like it.
We're so in alignment.
Cocos and durian.
Dang.
Totally.
pod there.
Ooh. Yeah, and there's more.
It's a never ending.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my
shit.
gosh.
Whoa, more
Wow.
fatties.
Goodness.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Sometimes they don't have that many crevices, but this one has a lot.
This one has a lot.
Unbelievable.
Show the camera at least.
All about the angle.
Lovely.
And
So lovely.
another 4 or 5 pods there. 6
Yeah.
pods maybe.
Totally.
That's incredible.
Which one's smaller? This one or that one? I want the smaller one. Is it that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like probably the size of my heart actually.
It's just such a
Seems
good
about
color.
right. This size, right?
pod's
It
there?
seems about right.
Oh, good.
Little pod. Baby pod.
Baby pods there. Want those?
I'll finish these
Got
first.
two baby bags.
Yeah.
Durian
Wow.
so good.
And it's not too smushy. I like it still has a little bit
That's a
of,
really
crunch
nice
to it.
consistency.
yeah, and less oniony.
Oniony?
Some of them are really oniony.
That's
This
true.
one's not so bad. Bad, but
It's also
bad.
durian, right?
Yeah.
I'm in heaven. It's amazing.
We're gonna get high from this, you know
I
that.
wish you were here.
You can get drunk.
High from the kombucha, now high from durian.
It's actually it's an aphrodisiac, so it's proven that it like you get actually high from eating a lot of durian.
Damn.
What else did we get high from last? From dinner.
Too much sour stuff. I got half the sour stuff the other day.
Oh wow.
I have so much of it.
Sounds incredible.
This is like an alien fruit.
So good. Oh my god.
That was awesome. Good job, crew. Good job.
Good job.
Great work.
Poddington. Well done, lads.
Now I have to do cartwheels on the lawn. Show us a cartwheel. Greta.
It's all full of durian.
I know.
These things had a camp on Tuesday and Thursday and Friday and Sunday.
Friday's a thing and Sunday's a thing.
Why not make
Thursday's
it
no way,
Monday
right?
and
No, Thursday.
Wednesday too, and then every day of the week we'd have one?
Well, because we need break days for our bodies to rest. For those of us who are dance junkies.
Right. Friday night is supposed to be good this week. I want to go.
Oh yeah, who's DJ?
I don't know, but I heard it last week. They're like, oh, someone's really good. We can't tell you right now,
What
but
did they say
it's
about
going to be
last
good. They were saying that it was going to be good and that come early.
It was Pertonica and it was amazing.
That was last week.
Sanctuary.
Yeah.
Yeah, last week was super special. And I've really been enjoying going in early for the sound healing too.
Yeah.
Because it's the same price.
Yeah, might as well.
And Heidi and Kurt are like super wow.
Amazing.
So blessed.
They're the ones that went to, they did the one at your place, right?
No, that was Kurt and Laura, maybe?
Oh, it was? With the crystals?
Yeah, same people?
I thought it was the same people, yeah.
Oh, okay, maybe. Good thing you're wearing underwear.
I know, I wore these at the beach today, so I'm like, this is fine, right? This is fine.
It does come in handy in Hawaii sometimes when you wear underwear.
Just some of the time though.
Just sometimes.
That was
Oh my
awesome.
gosh.
Oh, it's so good.
Wow.
We've got Bubbles
Wowza.
over here savouring the very last bite. Yummy,
good.
yummy. Living vicariously through everyone here.
Licking my
wish I
fingers
could have
even though
a
they're so
durian
dirty, I don't care.
Durian bath.
Where's this video gonna go?
Sorry?
The video.
Oh, this is for my YouTube channel.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
I have a YouTube channel. This is
me the
video
link.
number 500 and something. Been doing this channel for over 2 years. I've got 311 subscribers. Hi guys. Thanks for subscribing. Lovely.
Don't subscribe, don't
but
what?
right, but remember,
Don't
don't
like.
like this video.
Don't subscribe.
Just juice.
Just juice.
I need coconuts.
And durian.
Yeah, that one too.
But don't juggle with them because they're kind of spiky.
Gotta blame
Right,
it
and
on
now I
the
have to turn it
juice.
off because
Gotta
that's my
blame
sign
it
off.
on the juice. Yeah.